Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about what is going on with the stock market. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below. Also, if you want to learn more about investing in the market, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my course. Also guys, check out my merch. I have a little merch. It's pretty cool. I designed it all yesterday and over the past couple of months. Make sure you guys check that out. So looking at the general market, right now we're at the 3-year chart. So this whole chart right here represents the past 3 years of trading history in the S&P 500. You can see we had this huge dip. This was the March crash of 2020. Pretty much when all the lockdowns came out, the stock market fell right at about 35%. Immediately got rebounded and we were hitting highs within the year. Then we had a lot of great growth in the year of 2021, looking at about a 30% return in 2021, which was fantastic. You know, the S&P 500 on average only gets about a 10% return. So this was pretty much like a times 3 your money investing in 2021. A lot of great growth, a lot of great opportunities. Then 2022 came along and we've just seen sell-off, right? Looking back, you can see if you would have invested in January 1st, right now you're down money. If you'd have invested in February, right now you're down money. So looking at the chart will make it a little easier for you guys to kind of understand and kind of see what's going on. So we'll go ahead and change this to like a 5-hour window. So you can see the first of the year is actually right here. Okay, so you can see the stock market pretty much open, little consolidation in the first couple of days of 2022, huge dip where the stock market did fall a pretty decent percent. That's a 2% fall. For the market, that's a pretty decent fall. Then little consolidation and then more sell-off. Now during this time, the stock market did fall off about 11%, immediately kind of got rebounded and was only down about 9 to 10%. During that time, a lot of good deals. Saw a little spike back up, hit that 200 moving average line, and has been selling off ever since, right? So it hit it once, hit it twice. We've just seen a lot of sell-off from this. Right now, there is so much going on with the economy. In my opinion, I think it's just kind of hanging on by a little hope and a little dream right now, really, because we have very high inflation. And anytime you have high inflation, one of the things that kind of could become a problem is investments, but it's better during high inflation to have investments, to be honest, so you can try to outperform just the general inflation. Not to mention there is so much news going on with this Russia and Ukraine. And if we go, let's just say, to war or sending troops, this could really damage or hurt the U.S. economy. The reason why I say that is because during the Vietnam Wars, pretty much the U.S. government spent billions, if not trillions of dollars to get through that war. And then in the whole 70s, they had a very tough time. The whole economy was very sluggish. They were still paying off its debt from that time. Given we went through, all those lockdowns where the government was pretty much printing money. We all know that. And now we are on this verge of possibly going to war. I think there is so much pretty much emotion right now with the market, given that's why we've seen another sell-off today of 2% because of all the news. There's a lot of fear in the market. When fear's in the market, people want their money out. People want to hold their cash. Me personally, guys, I definitely think there could be some short-term volatility with it, but if you have a long-term outlook, I definitely think some things will recede, right? Russia has tried to invade Ukraine since 2024, so I definitely think it's been a while. This is probably going to be the most talked about thing for a minute. But at the end of the day, there's just a lot of fear. And I definitely think right now, answering the question of should you buy, should you invest, I definitely think I have two mindsets. The very first one is it's better to invest than not invest. And for all the people that would have invested in, the 70s, right now, they're up handsomely on their money. They're doubled their account several times. For all the people that invested in 2007, 2000 and right before that 2008 crash, they're up on their money. For all the people that invested in 2019, right before the 2020 crash, you're up on your money. So as long as you have a long-term outlook, you will be just fine. The second thing, with investing, there's one thing. The trend is your friend. So right now, if we just draw out this, right now, sellers are in control of the market. So for all the beginners that want to invest, I definitely think it's a lot easier to make money in the short term when the trend is in your favor. When it's not in your favor, it becomes more risky. So what I would recommend doing is, if you're nervous about it, dollar cost average would be a great way to reduce the volatility, reduce the risk. And what that means is figure out however much you want to invest, whether it's $10 a week, $20 a week, $10 a month. But what you're going to do is you're just going to invest consistently. So the beauty of it is, if we continue to have sell off, that's fine, because you're moving your average cost down. And on the flip side is, if the market recovers and it pops up, guess what? You always can add more, and you're still going to be making more money because your average cost is going to be very low. So it's a great way to invest, and one that I would highly recommend it. Or another option would be to just set an alert at a resistance line and wait until we have a reversal in the market. So you're getting in with buying pressure, you're getting in with other people that are buying, and you're not limited to just this general downward trend. Both ways are great investment strategies for people that want to invest right now. And that's kind of what's going on, and that's kind of my opinion of the market right now, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.